With Screencast-o-matic, you can make a screencast video with DLA feedback. All you need is a computer with internet access and a headset. First, download and open a student's DLA file. Or use the DLA in the Canvas preview page. Next, go to Screencast-o-matic.com. If you're recording the Canvas preview page, open Screencast-o-matic in a new tab. Click on Launch Free Recorder. Open Screen Recorder Launcher and Screen Recorder. In a few seconds, the screen recorder frame will appear. Now go to the file or preview page that you want to record. Click and drag the crosshairs over the DLA. In the Record window, check the screen size. The best screen resolution is 720p. Next, click on the arrow across from Narration and select the microphone you're using. In the microphone window, adjust the volume by clicking Auto Adjust Volume and talking into the mic. You can test the volume by making a recording. Click on Record, talk into the mic, and click on Play. After you've adjusted the volume, click on OK, and you're ready to record. Click on the red Record button and wait for the countdown. Wait another second or two and start talking. Any mouse movements or clicks that you make within the frame will be recorded. To stop recording, wait a second or two before clicking the pause icon. You can preview what you recorded by clicking on the play icon. If you decide you want to delete and re-record your video, click on the trash icon and choose Yes, Start Over. If you make mistakes at the end of a screencast, you can record over them. After stopping your recording, click on the play button, decide where you want to re-record, and press the pause button. Click on the record button and select Yes, Truncate. You can then begin recording over your ending. Click on the pause button and Done when you're finished. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on Save as Video File. Browse for your personal CAL folder in the Responses folder on the desktop. Then click on Publish and Done. Your video will be saved to your computer as an MP4 file that you can rename with the student's name and a shortened DLA title.